Hello and welcome to this jewelry making tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make some earrings using those heart-shaped metal charms. So I will make some simple heart-shaped earrings. For the earrings I will use the charms that I've shown you, the metal charms, and also some findings, some jump rings and some fishhook ear wires. And as tools I will use different pliers and a jump ring opener. And now let's begin making the earrings. To make the first earring I will take the charm and I will take one of those jump rings. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers, and with the jump ring opener I will open the jump ring this way. And now I will put the metal charm on the jump ring, and I will also put the fishhook ear wire on the same jump ring. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers and with the jump ring opener and close the jump ring. And I have created the first earring. So as you can see, it is a very simple earring. And now let's do the same steps in order to make the second earring. I will take the second jump ring and open it. I will grab it with the pliers, open it with the jump ring opener this way. I will put the charm in the shape of a heart on the jump ring, and I will put the fishhook ear wire or the French ear wire on the jump ring. I will close the jump ring. And I have created the second earring too. And now I will explain to you one detail that you have to take into consideration whenever you make earrings. As you can see here, one of my fishhook ear wires is pointing to the right side and the other one is pointing to the left side. So be very careful when you make your earrings so that these fishhook ear wires are pointing in opposite directions. Otherwise, if they both point to the same direction, you will have one earring showing us the front and the other earring showing us the back side. So always be careful how you position the fishhook ear wire. They should always face each other. The tips of the ear wires should always face each other so that the earrings show the front and not one the front and the other the back. So these are our earrings. So this is what our metal earrings in the shape of a heart look like.